Let us understand on some of the problems which are important in calculating what is its rate of return value that it is going to fetch over an equipment or a material that has been um, that has been chosen. The problem starts with a construction firm is planning to invest 8 lakh for the purchase of a construction equipment which will generate a net profit of 14 lakh and 40,000 per year. After deducting the annual operating and maintenance cost, the useful life of equipment is 10 years. The expected salvage value of the equipment at the end of 10 years is 2 lakhs. So compute the rate of return using trial and error method based on present worth if the construction firm's minimum attractive rate of return is 10% per year. So let us find out what are the important criteria in understanding this. Here a person has invested rupees 8 lakhs. So the investment has already happened and he has gained a net profit of 1,40,000 after deducting the annual operating and maintenance cost. So the useful life of the equipment is 10 years and salvage value is nothing but what is the value which is going to be fetching for the equipment that will be sold after 10 years, that is nothing but 2 lakhs. So to continue with this problem, in the present worth method, investment is what we are going to take it as minus 8 lakhs plus what is the interest we what is the income we are fetching from the equipment. Let us take it with the formula. What is the annual return that is given by a into 1 plus I whole raised to the power of minus 1 divided by I into 1 plus I whole raised to the power n. The salvage value is given by, it is 2 lakhs is the expected value divided by 1 plus I whole raised to the power of n. So what is the value we are going to get is minus 8 lakhs plus what is the amount that has been returned is lakh and 40,000, which for number of years that has been considered as 10. So what is the value we are going to get on calculation is lakh and 37,000 for 348. If the present worth is calculated for 12% with the same investment cost being taken, and also it is the return value what we are fetching is has been taken, and by including that with 12% as the rate of rate as the interest rate, we will be able to get the present worth of the equipment is 55,425 rupees. So let us work out for 14%, which is nothing but minus 8 lakhs plus lakh and 40,000 into 14%, which has been considered. Here in the salvage value also we consider 14%, but the years have been kept constant with 10 years. So we will get the value as minus 15,800. Until we get a negative value, we will start finding out what is its present worth. So from the value what has been taken from 12%, when it has been increased to 14%, there is a decrease in the in the in terms of money is what we found out. So what we are going to do is, now we have to interpolate between 12 and 14%, what is the exact percentage which need to be considered. So for that sake, when we interpolate between what is the value which has been got it for 12% is 55,425 minus of minus 15,800 divided by 14% with the interest rate minus 12 will give 13.55%. So this is nothing but what is the value to be considered for um, what is its present value, present worth of rate of return to be rate of return method, where I value will have to be considered to be 13.55. So this is how a problem need to be solved when it is when we have to calculate the equipment cost with the salvage value, and when the cost of there is a return which is hence it is taken as plus value.